Hello, Bebecitas, and welcome back to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz. Today we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium for the month of May. I am doing things a little bit different here. Usually there is a voiceover or some sort of music going on in the background for these type of videos, but I decided to just get on here and do a little bit of chatting with you guys. Let's get into it. Of course, well packaged with a little bit of cardboard. Thankfully, that is recyclable. The first thing that is popping out at me is this item here, Ruse Beauty on the Go set. Oh, looks like it is, yep. It's brushes, makeup brushes. I like the packaging, very recyclable. Thank you, Boxycharm. Thank you, LaRousse, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And it looks like 3 brushes here. And it looks like a little angled brush. Come on, focus. Yes, right here. Perfect for eyeliner or for doing your brows. I like the handle. It does feel a little bit like plasticky, cheap, kind of, but I like the rubberized texture. That's kind of cool. And then this one is the highlighter brush, which I would kind of use like an under eye setting powder brush or as highlighter brush. It does feel soft, and it is pretty like movable, pretty flexible, so that's nice. And then this one here is the kabuki brush right there, pretty nice. And yeah, it looks like you could use this for creams, to contour, to apply foundation. It's pretty soft again. Excited for that. Let's continue with this little thing here. A little ASMR moment here. Like that. Okay, if I can open it, it would be pretty neat. And this is from Laboratories. This is Lady Gaga's makeup brand. Nice packaging, as you can see, all black, you know, all that matte black. What is this here though? It looks a little funky there, but just probably transportation damage. It does have the names in the back, so that's useful-ish. And it does come with a mirror, and this is what the colors look like. I don't know if I just did this right there or if it was already like that, not so sure, but the colors look pretty nice. A good mixture of some mattes, very neutral mattes, and some fun shimmers. Perfect for every day, perfect for going from day to night with this matte black. Let's do some swatches. Here is the first row. I really like this second shade here. It has like a pink shift to it. And they were all very creamy. Can't wait to put them on my lids. And here is the second row. To be honest, I am living also for this color. I was not expecting it. It's almost like it has a matte, like a very matte color under, like a satin color underneath, and with those glitter on top, those glitter specks. It's beautiful. And this also is such a beautiful tone. It looks a little bit more rose gold on camera, but in person it pulls a little bit more lavenderish. It's gorgeous. So we got this from rhodial. We have had this brand before. These are the Dragon's Blood eye masks, and they are supposed to be deep puffing patches. let me get something to open this. While I'm unboxing this, let me know if you like this style better than the music, or if you'd rather me do a voiceover, whatever you guys want, or more, or find it more appealing. It works for me. I mean, I just figured I'd try something a little different. So it comes with 3 of these eye masks. I like using these when I'm doing my eyeshadow first. To be honest, I have quite a collection now of Boxycharm sending eye masks, and I'm not really mad at it. But I do need to start using them more often. I don't use them as often as I would like, so I am going to get to it. So these are for hydrating and toning. They are depuffing biocellulose eye masks. So that's fun. Next, this brand Grown Alchemist we have received in Boxycharm before as well, and this is the body cream, and it's Australian certified toxic free. That's cool, and they always have this cool packaging. I'm a sucker for this packaging. It's so different. It looks like a toothpaste, but it's a body lotion. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, I hate that I'd have to open it and I know I'm not going to use it anytime soon, to be honest, so I'm not going to open it. I have like a whole liter, a tub full of Philosophy body lotion at the moment, and I'm probably going to last me quite a bit. So I'm not going to open this yet, but I'm excited to use it in the future. And finally, oh no, there's 2 more things in here. This next one is from Bite Beauty. Now we're talking some more makeup. It is the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. And if it looks like this color, it looks like I would like it. Let's see. Oh, let's see, a lip crayon. This is what the packaging looks like. Very sleek. It's almost like a matte texture. Oop, here we go. Oh, this is interesting. It's different. And this is what this looks like. How gorgeous is this? Did it say it was matte? Yeah, it did. It says it's matte, but to me, it doesn't look matte. Let's see if it dries down, and maybe it'll look more matte. But it's not looking very matte to me. But this color is beautiful. Midnight Rye is the name of this shade. And Bite Beauty is known for using natural products. This is the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon, a clean, high-performance matte lipstick for creamy, bold color that can keep up with you. So let's give it time as we continue to open up the last item and see if we notice anything getting more matte. Finally, the last product is the Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow from Too Faced. And I have the shade Warm and Budgy. Let's get budgy. Let's get budged up. Okay. It's a little hard to open, and I don't want to go animal mode just yet, so let's do this. There we go. Loving the packaging. Super cute. I like Too Faced packaging. They always have pretty dope packaging. And this is the shade, and it's supposed to be matte as well. I wonder if it's the lights that make it look shiny. So this is supposed to be for your eyes. It is really blendable, really creamy. It does seem like it's gonna dry down pretty good. It's already drying down on my fingers here. This is still not matte at all. and it does transfer. Let me just blend it to see if it gets matte as we blend, and it's looking a little bit matte. Nope, they're still looking shiny. So let me lower down the lights and see if that's what's causing it to look more on the satin side. Here we go. This is with the lights lowered. As you can see, this one, the eyeshadow one, does look a lot more matte. It's still needing to dry on this side, but right here it's looking way more matte than here, and definitely more matte than this side. So I wouldn't call this a matte on as far as the lip product. I'd say it's more satin, but that's just me, okay? That's just my opinion. So I think that is everything it is. And let me wipe this off. As I'm wiping this off, it's not coming off, you guys. This is really gonna stick onto your eyelids if you get this. And that's such a nice shade too. And if you want to make it a little bit more fun, you can add a little bit of glitter on top and it would be awesome. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in this month's Boxycharm. That is everything for today. Before I leave, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like the video. And don't forget to share and comment. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and stay blessed.